In this video, I'll show you how to search old posts on your Facebook page step by step. If you're looking for a post you published weeks, months, or even years ago, Facebook provides several ways to find it. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Open your Facebook page and scroll through your timeline to browse older posts. If your page has many posts, tap the search icon and enter a keyword related to the post you're looking for. You can also open Meta Business Suite or Professional Dashboard, where available, and go to the Content section to view your published posts in one place. Browse the list or use available filters to narrow results by date, status, or content type. Once you find the post, tap it to view, edit, share, or manage it as needed. If you're searching for a very old post, continue scrolling or use the available filters to quickly locate content from a specific time period. Keep in mind that the search and filtering options may vary depending on your page type, the Facebook app version, and whether you're using Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.